68 by 5, take 2.
Amitabh Bachchan, Jaya Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor. Everybody said, how are you going to make this film? You have 6 of the biggest stars in the country, all in one film. It's not possible. How would you justify their presence? And I kept getting more scared, and I kept getting more scared, and I think that one line of fear just took me right through the film. At the end, I think everybody will have to tell me how I pulled off all 6 of them in one frame.
In the country, when I was told that this is what the star cast is going to be like, and I actually told him, you don't need to make a film. All you need is the star cast.
Mr. Bachchan, of course, you can't even talk in any other breath but say that, yes, he is the biggest star we have. Kajol, of course, is brilliant. Jaya Auntie is brilliant. And Hrithik and Kareena are, of course, the hottest sensations and super mega stars of this era. In this line of scheme of things, I am the underdog.
Yeah, asked him who has he left in the film industry for anybody else to work with. Before we started shooting, I thought that I wouldn't be able to stand in front of them and I wouldn't be able to act. I'd just be dumbfounded completely.
When Karan told me the star cast of it was exactly this. I was speechless. I was scared, obviously.
With so many actors and such big stars, what kind of a role would I have? But I said that, it would be great fun to be part of another huge film like Sholay. It's going to be a character-driven film, and it was very important that we have, the right artists for the film. Karan was extremely clear about who he wanted.
Rightfully, my father told me the first person we must approach, because he's been such a close family friend and also very senior and of course the legend that he is, and we're also in awe of him. We must go to Mr. Bachchan first with the film.
मुझे ये तो पता था पक्का कि वो ना नहीं करेंगे. मैंने कहा इसलिए आप मेरे साथ आओ और ये पहले हम अमित जी को मिलते हैं, and you must take his blessings before talking to anybody. When Karan and Jesse came to me, I just thanked the Lord and said, what a wonderful opportunity. And for that opportunity to be coming from, persons as eminent as Jesse and as Karan, it was a godsend.
He didn't even bat an eyelid and said, of course. He said, Karan, it's your film, how can you even ask? And that particular moment, I remember my father got very teary, I noticed, because he just was so keen that Mr. Bachchan would come back to Dharma Productions.
I was delighted to know that it was going to involve Jaya and me together after a very long time.
I can't say no to Karan. It would be like saying no to Abhishek.
She's always been like a mother figure, and that's what she eventually became, even in the film, in terms of my crew and everything else.
I think that I accepted and I agreed to do the film more because he's like a child to me, and